Most people think AI side hustles are oversaturated. They're not. The problem is people are trying to sell tools instead of selling outcomes. In this video, I'm breaking down 3 AI services people are paying for right now, even if you have zero experience, zero audience, and no tech background. These are services businesses actually need, and I'll show you exactly how beginners are getting started. Service number 1. AI short-form content for businesses. Short-form video is the #1 marketing channel right now. Most business owners know they need TikToks, Reels, and Shorts. They just don't want to create them. This is where AI comes in. You're not editing from scratch. You're using tools like CapCut AI, Descript, or InVideo to clip long videos, add captions automatically, format content for multiple platforms. Local businesses, coaches, gyms, realtors, restaurants, they all need this. Beginner pricing. $300 to $800 per month per client, 3 to 5 videos per week. You only need 3 clients to replace a full-time income. Service number 2. AI customer follow-up and automation. This one is wildly overlooked. Businesses lose money because they don't follow up with leads. They forget to respond. They don't have systems. You can use AI tools to auto-respond to inquiries, send follow-up texts or emails, re-engage old leads. No coding required. Tools like ChatGPT Go High Level, Zapier. You're not replacing employees. You're saving time. Beginner pricing. $500 setup, $150 to $300 monthly management. This is sticky, recurring income. Service number 3. AI digital products for businesses. Most businesses should have PDFs, guides, checklists, lead magnets. They don't. You can use AI to create welcome guides, onboarding packets, freebies that capture emails, examples, realtor buyer guides, gym nutrition PDFs, coach training plans. You build it once, deliver it, and get paid. Beginner pricing, $250 to $1,000 per product. Upsell updates or bundles. This stacks fast. How to start? Here's the key. Don't learn everything first. Pick one service. Offer it to one niche. Get your first client before you overthink it. AI rewards action, not perfection. Comment service and I'll send you the exact tools, starter pricing, outreach scripts. Subscribe if you want realistic AI income, not hype